Welcome to Manna Home Design, your destination for decor ideas, interior design inspiration, and practical home design tips for real-life living. Here, we explore thoughtfully designed homes that prove great style isn't about size, it's about smart choices. Brilliant organizing hacks in a 230 square foot Brooklyn apartment. This is a 230 square foot Brooklyn apartment, and every inch works brilliantly. From hidden storage to smart IKEA solutions, this tiny space proves that organization can completely change how small space living feels. In today's video, we're breaking down the brilliant organizing hacks that make this Brooklyn apartment not just livable, but truly functional. You'll see how smart layout choices, vertical storage solutions, and budget-friendly IKEA pieces, many sourced from Facebook Marketplace and by Nothing groups, come together to create a calm, thoughtfully curated tiny home. If you're living small, or just want smarter ways to organize your space, this one is full of ideas you can actually use. If you love smart organizing ideas, small space design, and real apartment inspiration, subscribe to Manna Home Design. We share practical tips that make every home work better. Entryway. Small space, big function. Welcome into this 230 square foot Brooklyn, New York City tiny apartment, where even the entryway works hard. In a small space living setup like this, smart layout choices and organizing hacks make all the difference. By using vertical storage, wall-mounted IKEA shoe cabinets, and slim furniture, this tiny apartment stays functional without feeling cramped. Storage solutions are key here: hooks for coats and bags, floating shelves above the door, and budget-friendly IKEA pieces sourced through Facebook Marketplace. These choices maximize every inch while keeping the entryway visually calm. It's proof that thoughtful organization can completely transform a small apartment layout. Personal touches, warm wood accents, and curated decor help this entryway feel like home. Even in a Brooklyn tiny apartment, a well-organized entry sets the tone for functional, stylish small space living that feels intentional from the moment you walk in. Kitchen, compact, organized, efficient. This kitchen shows how a 230 square foot Brooklyn apartment can still be highly functional. With limited square footage, smart layout choices and organizing hacks turn a compact kitchen into an efficient workspace that supports everyday living in a tiny home. Open IKEA shelving, wall-mounted rail systems, and vertical storage solutions keep essentials within reach. Budget-friendly containers, thrifted jars, and Facebook Marketplace finds help maintain a clean, clutter-free look while supporting sustainable, small space living. The result is a thoughtfully curated tiny apartment kitchen that balances style and function. This is proof that with the right storage solutions and intentional design, even the smallest Brooklyn kitchens can feel open, practical, and inspiring. Living room, one room, many roles. In a 230 square foot Brooklyn tiny apartment, the living room does everything. Smart layout choices allow this single space to function as a lounge, workspace, and storage hub, essential for modern small space living. A multifunctional IKEA sofa with hidden storage, wall-mounted shelves, and vertical book organization create efficient storage solutions. Budget-friendly decor from Facebook Marketplace keeps the space curated without overspending, proving small apartments can still feel layered and personal. With soft textures, plants, and personal artwork, this tiny apartment living room feels warm and livable. It's a perfect example of how organizing hacks and thoughtful design turn limited square footage into a functional, welcoming home. Bedroom, calm, vertical, and intentional. This bedroom proves that even in a 230 square foot Brooklyn apartment, rest and storage can coexist. Smart layout choices prioritize vertical space, keeping the room calm while supporting everyday function. A platform bed with built-in drawers, ceiling height IKEA wardrobes, and floating nightstands provide smart storage solutions. Wall sconces replace table lamps, freeing up surface space, one of the most effective organizing hacks for small bedrooms. Soft neutrals, layered bedding, and curated decor make this tiny apartment bedroom feel intentional, not overcrowded. It's a reminder that small space living works best when design and storage are thoughtfully aligned. Bathroom, small but strategic. In a 230 square foot New York City tiny apartment, the bathroom must be efficient. This space relies on smart layout choices and organizing hacks to stay functional without sacrificing comfort or style. storage, a mirrored cabinet, and floating shelves above the toilet maximize vertical space. IKEA bathroom organizers and budget-friendly upgrades create practical storage solutions while keeping the room visually light. The result is a clean, spa-inspired tiny apartment bathroom that feels calm and clutter-free. It shows how intentional storage and simple design choices elevate small space living. Budget decorating and buy nothing tips. Decorating a 230 square foot Brooklyn apartment doesn't require a big budget. This tiny home relies on smart sourcing, thoughtful layout choices, and creative organizing hacks to stay stylish and affordable. IKEA furniture from Facebook Marketplace, Buy Nothing group finds, and thrifted decor pieces create layered storage solutions without overspending. These budget-friendly strategies support sustainable, small space living. By mixing second-hand finds with intentional styling, this tiny apartment feels curated and personal. It proves that great design isn't about cost, it's about making smart, functional choices. Final thoughts: living well in 230 square feet. This 230 SQ Ford Brooklyn, New York City tiny apartment shows what's possible with the right mindset. Smart layout choices and organizing hacks turn limited space into a fully functional home. From vertical storage to IKEA furniture and budget-friendly Facebook Marketplace finds, every decision supports efficient small space living. The consistent design language keeps the apartment feeling cohesive, not cluttered. Ultimately, this tiny apartment proves that thoughtful storage solutions and personal touches matter more than square footage. Small space living works when your home is designed to truly support your life. Thanks for watching Manna Home Design. If this 230 square foot apartment inspired you, give the video a like, share it with someone living small, and subscribe for more brilliant organizing hacks, budget-friendly decor, and real-life home design ideas. We'll see you in the next one.